Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you a keyboard I've had for a while. I got it from a teacher at my school. It's the Omni Key Ultra. It's a very large keyboard. Now when I got it, it was covered in food and dried soda, and it was really just a big mess. I cleaned it up pretty well just by taking it apart and washing each piece. But a lot of the keys stopped working. And this is a clicky keyboard, if you hear. Now a lot of these keys stopped working, and they use these Alps switches that are very easy to find in other keyboards. So today what I'm going to show you, I'm going to replace this A key because it's not working right. And so I'm going to show you step by step how to take the key from another keyboard and replace it. Okay, this is the board that I'm using for parts. It's well, I don't know the brand of it anymore, but it uses the same switches as this keyboard does, the Alps switches that make the clicking sound. If I pull one of these off here, you see it's this piece right here that I'm after. All I have to do though is desolder them, and that pops right out. And I already taken all the F keys out and replaced other keys yesterday, and I use this keyboard for a day, and it works pretty good except for the A key. Sometimes when I press it, it'll show like 5 A's on the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and desolder this now. I have my soldering iron, and to get the solder off, I use this stuff here. It's a copper braid that sucks up the solder when it's hot. Alright. Okay, what I'm going to do now is remove the solder from one of the keys. I'm going to use this copper braid, which will kind of absorb the solder once I heat it up here. And right away, you saw that the solder just sucked right up into it. I'm going to do the one right next to it now. Alright, that's done. Now, if you take a closer look, you will see, and that's what it looked like, and that's what it is now. The solder is now mostly gone, and all I have to do to get it out is just pop it out from the other side. Okay, so I removed the solder from this key, and now all I have to do is just pull it out. Okay, now to get the key off of the switch, all I do is take a flat screwdriver and pop it off. Now that's the part that I need. That's the part that I want. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to take apart the Omni Key Keyboard. The first thing I'm going to do is unplug it from the back and flip it over. Okay, there's these screws that I need to pull out. There's 6 of them. I'm going to do that now. Once I took out the 6 screws, this plastic cover comes right off. I can set that down over there. Okay, now I need to take these 4 screws out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do that now. Alright, after I've taken out these 4 screws, I unplug the connector, and then I can very carefully take the whole board, flip it upside down. Now this has been worked on before by someone else who didn't do a really good job, and I had to repair some things with wire. They actually pulled up some of the wire that's on the board, so I had to solder directly to the pins, but that part works now. That's for the arrow keys on the keyboard. I need to replace the A key that's sticking on me. and that's probably the A key right there. I'm going to check to be sure. There's A. Somewhere around there. I'm going to find that right now and mark it. Alright, so I know this one is now the A key. All I'm going to do is desolder this, and the A key will pop out. And there's the A key right there. Now this is the bad switch right here. Alright, so all I have to do is carefully pop off the A key because you don't want to ruin this key. Okay. And put on the new switch. Here's the new switch right here. And first I'm going to put that on the board. Alright, now I'm going to replace the key I just took out with the new switch that I took from the other keyboard. This is an Alps switch. They make really good switches. Anyway, all you have to do is put the new switch in and press down until you feel the pins go through the back, and then just resolder that connection. Alright, now I'm going to resolder the A switch. Alright, that's done. All I have to do is put it back together. Now that I put that switch on, I can replace the A key. Just snaps right on, and you got a new A key. Now, all you have to do is put everything back together. I'm going to do that now.